In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Loop template. By the end, you'll have a reusable template you can apply to future pages, saving time and keeping your team's work consistent. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Microsoft Loop homepage. On that landing page, select Get Started with Loop. If you're asked to sign in, use your Microsoft 365 account and continue. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Recent Work area. This view lists pages and workspaces you've opened or edited lately, which makes it a quick place to find examples you can turn into templates. Look for a sample page titled Sorted by Hierarchy. Hover over that item and click the three dots to open its context menu. This lets you work with the page without opening it in full. Next, open the page itself, and in the upper right corner of the page header, click the three dots again. This is the page level menu with options that apply to the entire page layout and content. Choose Save Page as Template. A panel will open so you can set the details. Give your template a clear, memorable name so teammates instantly know when to use it. Add a brief description that explains the purpose of the page, what sections it includes, or any instructions for filling it out. This small bit of guidance helps every new page created from the template start off on the right foot. For visual clarity, add an icon. Click the emoji button to open the picker. Choose an emoji that matches the use case, something you and your team will recognize at a glance. A well-chosen icon makes templates easier to spot in galleries and search results. When you're happy with the name, description, and emoji, click Save as Template to confirm. Loop will create the template from the current page content and structure. The headings, lists, tables, and components on the page become the starting point every time someone uses this template. A few quick tips as you finalize. Keep the template content generic, remove any personal or sensitive data, and leave clear placeholder text where users should add their own information. Consistent naming conventions like prefixing with your team or project make templates easier to find later. After saving, you'll see your template available when creating a new page. Look for it in the template gallery within your workspace. That's it. You've converted a Loop page into a polished template you can reuse and share, making your collaboration faster and more consistent.